Hello everyone, it's Rose and today I will show you how to apply nail wraps. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and then the notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So I got these nail wraps from OoMyNails, so I want to say thank you OoMyNails for sending me this product. So it says the contents: 20 nail wraps, nail file, prep pad, manicure stick, and it says how the instruction on how to use it and how to remove it. So let's open it and see what's inside. So I got nail wraps with two different designs and colors. A prep pad or alcohol pad, a nail file, and a manicure stick. First, make sure your nails are clean and then gently push the cuticles . Use a prep pad or alcohol pad to remove moisture and oil from the surface of the nails. It also allows the nail wraps to stick on the nails nicely. Select the best fitting nail strip of each finger. So this one fits my pinky nail, but the only problem is it's too long. I really want to have that stripe, gold stripe design on my nails, so I'm going to cut it and then shape it. Yep, there you go, that's perfect. And then peel off the protective films of nail strip. Apply to the nails and gently stretch it to fit. Use the manicure stick to press and flatten the edges of the nails. Remove the excess nail strips with the nail file. So now I'm gonna do my second nail. So first, I'm going to select the best fitting nail strip for my nail. And I'm going to cut it just like the first nail strip that I applied on my first nail. Then peel off the protective films of the nail strip. And then stick it on the nails and gently press on it. And then file the excess nail strips. Repeat the same process with the other nails. OoMyNails nail wraps or nail strips are waterproof. It is easy and safe to use, and then the application of the nail strips or nail wraps on the nails will leave you no mess or smell. And it is a non-toxic, non-irritant, and does not damage or stain the nails. Actually, it is also good to use for pregnant and lactating women because it is totally safe to use. And it's easy to apply. And now I'm done with my third nail, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to do the fourth nail. So first, pick the best fitting nail strips for the nail, cut it, and then shape it. If you have a real long nails, you don't have to do the cutting like I did. Peel off the protected films off the nail strips, and then apply it on the nails and press gently. And then stretch the nail strip to fit and also to smoothen out the nail surface. Then file to get rid of the excess nail strips. Now I'm done with the fourth nail. Now I'm going to do the fifth nail. So again, select the best fitting nail strip for the nail. Cut if needed. Peel off the protective films or plastic. Now apply it on the nails, so press gently to smoothen out the surface. And then file the excess nail strips. For best result, it is better to use gel top coat. And then cure for 60 seconds. That way, the nail strips will last longer. And here is the result. So that's it, guys. Check out the link below on my description box for these products. And don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.